Hi everybody, Andy Downing here at Terry Henricks Chrysler, and I wanted to do another one of our quick pro tips here. So a lot of people are a little confused on what exactly the roadside kits are in the back of the newer vehicles here that no longer have spare tires. So I just wanted to quickly go over some of the details on those roadside kits. They are found in the same compartment where you typically find the spare tire, and they're going to look similar to this. So there's a couple of different things on here that I want to point out. So if you look really closely, the nozzle right here is showing a chemical. So that little blob there is actually kind of like a fix-a-flat. So when you have it turned to that, it's going to blow out fix-a-flat. Now if you turn it the other way, where it just looks like there's air coming out, then it's just a true compressor. So you can use it as a regular compressor. So if you do get a flat tire, first thing you obviously want to do is try to pump it up without using that chemical. But if that doesn't work, if there's a hole, you can try to inflate it with that chemical in there, and then you just want to make sure that you drive it normally and get to a service center as quickly as you can to get that hole plugged. But a little bit of confusion on these roadside kits. They are more than just a compressor. They are found in the back on these Cherokees here, underneath the little hood here. Right there in a storage center, right about where you would normally find the spare tire. So another thing that I always like to point out, if you do have a major blowout, if you buy a new Chrysler product, Chrysler does offer 5 years, 60,000 miles of free roadside assistance. So this is usually found in the owner's manual in your glove box. All you have to do is call that 1-800 number. Chrysler will hook you up with flat tire service, out of gas delivery of up to 2 gallons, battery jump assistance, lockout service, and towing service. So a great feature that a lot of people aren't even aware that they have coverage on. So just a few things that I wanted to touch base with you guys, give you a little bit of a pro tip on. Give us a call, 419-445-2576, if you want to come out, take a look at our Jeep products or any of our other vehicles. Thanks and have a great day.